Hello, good morning students, and welcome to another class of science. I'll start with the thing that I explained you yesterday. I explained how germs spread through air, through contact with a sick person and through insect bites. So I explained you how germs spread through air when a person suffering from common cold or tuberculosis, they cough or sneeze, the germs from their body get mixed into the air, and when we inhale the same air we also suffer from the same disease. So we also discussed how germs spread through contact with a sick person. So if we share the belongings of a sick person, germs from those belongings may infect us also. So we must not share the belongings of a sick person. Then also how diseases like malaria and dengue, they spread through insect bites, through mosquitoes. The malaria spread through female Anopheles mosquito, and dengue spread through a mosquito named Aedes aegypti. And I also told you, fever is not a disease, it is just a sign to know that the harmful microbes, the germs, have entered our body, and our body is trying to, the microbes present inside our body, they are trying to kill those germs. So today I'll just explain you, we'll go through some common communicable diseases, their causes and symptoms. All of you turn to page number 81. You can see below a column in which a list is given of a few communicable diseases. What are the causes of these diseases and what are the symptoms? Means, what do you mean by symptoms? Means, what are the signs of those diseases? If you get a disease, you get a number of signs. Means you have headache, you may feel weak. So it may lead to a particular disease. So the symptoms are those signs. So we will read about all these in this. Now, number 1, common cold. It is caused by virus. And what are the symptoms? There is sore throat, means you are not able to swallow anything. गला में खराश हो जाता है and you feel uncomfortable. You are not able to swallow your food, you are not able to swallow water. It becomes very difficult to eat anything. Then you cough also. And headache, you have headache. So these are the symptoms of common cold. Then we have measles. Measles are also caused by virus, and the symptoms are you will have red eyes, white spots inside mouth. You will have white spots inside your mouth. You will have fever, and there will be muscle aches. Means there will be pain in your muscles. Then we have hepatitis. It is also caused by virus, and the symptoms are you feel weak, weakness, loss of appetite. Loss of appetite means भूख नहीं लगती है. You don't feel like eating anything. Nausea. Nausea means feeling like vomiting. Fever and stomach ache. Then number 3, chicken pox. It is also caused by virus, and the symptoms are rashes. Throughout your body you will have rashes, wounds like, and these rashes are scaly. Fever, body ache. You will have fever when you have chicken pox. Your whole body will pain and you will feel uneasiness. You will not feel comfortable. Then dengue. Dengue is also caused by virus, and in dengue you have high fever, and there is severe pain in your joints and in your muscles. All your joints will have pain, your muscles will pain. You will have headache and tiredness, means you will feel tired. Then malaria. Malaria is caused by protozoa. It is also a microbe. And in malaria you will have fever, you will have chills. Chills means you start feeling too cold. it happens sometimes when you have fever. When means what happens, you start feeling too cold that you will like to have a lot of blankets on your body, but even then you will not be feeling good. Then headache, sweats, you'll sweat a lot. Fatigue means feeling weak. Nausea, nausea means feeling like vomiting. Then amoebiasis, it is also caused by protozoa, and the symptoms are diarrhea with blood. We have already discussed diarrhea. In diarrhea, a person passes watery stool, and when the person passes watery stool along with blood, it may be a symptom of amoebiasis. Then there is swelling in intestines. Next is ringworm, and it is caused by fungus, and the symptoms red ring-like and scaly rash on the skin. On the skin you will have red rashes, and it is ring-like, means it is circular in shape, and it will have scales. Scaly rash means the rashes will have scales, means the upper layer of your skin will wear out. And then itching, you will start itching a lot. Then tetanus. Tetanus is caused by bacteria. You know, you will have to take tetanus if you are hurt by a sharp iron knife or any iron thing. So in this, what happens, there is a stiffness of jaw. Stiffness of jaw means this is the jaw, and your jaw becomes very tight. Neck and other muscles, there is a stiffness in neck also and muscles also. Severe and frequent muscle cramps. Cramps happen when the muscles contract, and when it contracts, it's very painful. So within fraction of seconds, you will have these cramps when you suffer from tetanus. And then there is difficulty in swallowing. That means if you are not able to swallow, that means there is some problem with the throat. Then dysentery. Dysentery is caused by bacteria, and in dysentery the person goes for a stool and he passes loose stool, loose motions. That means loose stool with blood. And with the loose stool, along with the blood, pus and mucus also, means yellowy substance. Pus or mucus, they are yellow in color. Yellowy substance also comes out. Then in case of tuberculosis, it is caused by bacteria, and the main symptoms are coughing, fever, chills, again feeling too cold, night sweats, I feel very uncomfortable, you sweat a lot during night, and weight loss. Too much of weight loss is observed when a person suffers from tuberculosis, and he feel weak. If he starts feeling as if he is rolling around, this is fatigue, and he starts feeling very weak. Then we have typhoid. In typhoid, the symptoms, the person suffers from fever, tiredness, headache, loss of the appetite, means he does not want to eat anything, and stomach ache, there is pain in stomach. So these are some of the common communicable diseases that we can see, and they are caused by different microbes that I told you. And how can you identify those diseases? If you observe these symptoms. So please go through this video once again, give a reading to this part, and please write it in your notebook on the left hand side. Whenever the work is given to you, this part, this table, this chart, you have to make on the left side of your science notebook. So for today it's over. Thank you and have a nice day.